Hi again, I apologize, but while I was looking to the preview video I recorded with the guideline for working with the to-do list Google Spreadsheet, I noticed I forgot to mention how can you set up the status category priorities and responsibles and also the holidays date from the settings bar. And I suppose you'll forgive me for that. This is my first video recorded and uploaded, and no matter how much I was trying to be prepared for this, I forgot. So basically you just need to rename the status title or name from here, and it will be, let me to do's, change one and show you in the status we have to do. It's getting automatically updated. Okay, let's turn it back. You can update in progress status. The only restriction for this tab for the settings tab are the cells and columns highlighted with red and having the text in red. This is dynamically built. If we change hi here, you notice this is also updated automatically. So if you want to update, just work with the cells not being highlighted or formatted in red text. You can add one more here and more responsibles here. You can update the icon. Let's say you want to update an icon and do a quick update. You can, let me see, let's update the one for work. Let's just select the icon, Control C, go here, Control P, and the work icon is getting updated and is fully updated also in here. If you see, the work is now updated and all over work on all the tabs. This is automatically getting updated. Let's switch it back, because since everything is built automatically, if you change this during after you have assigned some tasks, you'll have to update the category. If we are speaking about the category all over the place, to be able to retrieve the real data, because the icon is integrated into the formulas, and you need to update this all over the place, meaning on all the tasks. In the calendar view, if you're updating the priority, you'll have the priority icon. You'll have to be to come back and update also the selections, and also in the week view you'll have to update the priorities for the latest updates you have done. So that's why I recommend you before starting to record tasks to play around with status names, category, priority, or responsible names, to assign the icons you wish, and after that start to add any tasks you would like. Because if you do this, after a while you'll have to update the lists from here. Okay, that would be all for the settings. Thank you for watching, and I apologize for forgetting to speak to tell you about these settings in my preview video. Thank you. Have a good day.